Hi, ladies and gents. So, as a warm up before we move on with our science lesson, we are going to continue doing just a couple air questions. So, remember, it's under the Sheffield Lake website, air testing portal. You're probably getting real good at this. But remember, on that real day, ladies and gents, you will get a testing ticket and everything will be set up nice and easy. This is just practice test. So, once you hit grade 5, we have been working on under science, top right in science, top right. Again, on the real day, you're going to have headphones, check for that you hear the voice, but for the practice, you're just going to say you heard it. Begin your lovely test now. We keep hitting next, right? We've gone over most of these questions. We're at number 15. This is a 1-point question, okay? When one night while camping, a student observes that the moon and stars appear to move across the sky. Which statement describes why the moon and stars appear to change the position? Okay, so would it be the rotation, which is on its axis and causes day and night? Would it be because Earth is tilted? Would it be because Earth is orbiting our sun and that's the revolution causing year? Is it D, because Earth is moving away from the sun? I want you to think about it. And I have to kind of close my eyes and visualize. The moon and the stars appear like they're moving. Why? Why does it appear this way? It is A as an apple, ladies and gents. Earth rotating. Okay, remember, Earth rotates W-E, west to east. So it makes it appear like the sun is moving E-W, east to west. Okay, I always remember we live on Earth and Earth rotates west to east. All right, move on to number 16, okay? When the sky is clear, an observer on Earth can see the star. It's a very bright star called Sirius, okay? From Earth, Sirius appears blue, but the sun appears yellow. What's another way Sirius is different from the sun? Why don't you guys silent read those 4 questions? Act like you're taking the test here. Think about it. And the question, what is another way Sirius is different than the sun? Besides that color being blue and the sun is yellow. This is another 1-point question. We want to do well on all of our questions, right? But 1 point is not as big as some of those extended response and reading diagrams and short answer, but we want to try our very best to get every point. But this is a 1 point, and the answer is A. The sun is inside that solar system. Sirius is found outside the solar system. Number 17. A student shines the light from a flashlight at 2 different surfaces. When the light hits the first surface, the light looks just as bright as when it left the flashlight. Where the light hits the second surface, the light looks dimmer, meaning not as bright than when it left the flashlight. Which table supports the student's observations of the light's behavior as it interacts with each surface? So you got to really look. So they gave us the first surface. We don't know what it is. The light reflected. Second one, absorbed. Here we've got a refract. Remember, that means to bend. Reflect is to bounce. Second one, pass through. We've got another refract and reflect, absorbed and pass through. The correct answer, okay, based off that information in this previous paragraph, the results would be A.